Good morning, guys. Hi, it's your boy Mikey Bustos, bringing you another video. How's everybody doing? Here it's early morning, 9:34, um, and just wanted to create this video because there's just been a little bit of sad news. For those of you guys who have been following me on Twitter and on Facebook and stuff, know that one of my dogs, Mission, who is the Great Dane, was pretty much struggling health-wise. He's a senior dog, and he was having troubles, and he finally passed away last night at, we're guessing, around 4 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, a little bit sad about that. And I know it's shaken up, uh, I guess, my family. But you know, he lived a long and happy life, I would say. Um, and so I just wanted to create this video to kiss my boy Mission. And I know that I've lost many pets in the past, you know, so it's always a sad thing. But I have many memories with him that will never leave, and you know, that makes me happy. You know, and do I believe that animals have souls and that there's an afterlife for them? Of course. And in fact, you know, I remember growing up, my aunt, who was a retired nun, she instilled religion into us uh, growing up. And I asked her, I said, do animals go to heaven? And she said, no, they don't have immortal souls. And I think that was the first thing I kind of disagreed with, um, religious wise, because to me, I feel like this is my belief that animals do have souls. They have, you know, infinite source energy inside them, you know, and their essence spiritually is, you know, the same stuff that we're made of, and that's what I believe. You know, and I know any past that I've lost in the past, definitely crossed over. And that's it, guys. It's such a, I guess, kind of like a weird thing, because today we were scheduled to have this big outing at Canada's Wonderland, which is a big theme park here in Toronto. And we're going with all my cousins, my brother, his girlfriend. So going to try to, I guess, celebrate the life of Mission. Anyways, I'll probably be creating another video on what Mission was like when I have the time and when I have the energy to. Guess that's it. Thanks, guys. Mwah. Take care. Love ya. Bye. Missions. Mission. You sleepy? Hmm? Where's Pinoy? Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Dog? Dog? Squirrel. Where's the squirrel? The squirrel. Hmm? Give me paw. Give me paw. Thank you. Okay, sleep, sleep, sleep.
paws. Massive paws. Killer claws for the feast. It's little bear paws. That's his tail. Don't get any ideas. You good boy, Mission. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.